My name is Chris Logan. I graduated in 2006 from the Business Accounting program at the Confederation College with a major in accounting.
My name is Michelle Henderson. I am a graduate of the Confederation College Business Administration Accounting course in 2015.
My name is Arlena Atkinson, and I graduated in 2018 from Confederation College's Business Administration Accounting program.
We have a 2-year and a 3-year program. Students in the first year will take a general business fundamentals program. Then in semester 3, they're going to specialize in accounting. That's where they'll start taking management accounting courses, intermediate financial accounting courses, and then some workplace integrated courses. Students are going to have first-hand experience on how to do bookkeeping, how to prepare tax returns, how to prepare T4s, how to prepare T5s. And so we have 3 of those courses built in between semesters 3 and 5 that allow students to really leave the program prepared for the workplace.
I worked in retail for 16 years before I decided to go back to school. The teachers were great. They're very positive, they're very encouraging. They genuinely love what they do and they want you to achieve your goals, which really means a lot to someone going back after 16 years of not being in school.
Very approachable. You're able to, email them and you don't have to feel bad or feel like they're not going to email you back.
I wasn't sure if I would be prepared when I was coming out of the college. I wasn't sure if it gave me the credentials that I would need to take the next step. And when I did take the next step, I was more than prepared. I went to another educational institution because I had to pursue my CA, and not only was I prepared, I was ahead.
I like to learn and I like to continue learning. So I felt like that environment really encouraged that.
Every business needs accountants, so you will definitely find a job in your field.
We feel quite fortunate to be able to say to our students, the labor market is robust for you, and join our program.